I'm Crystal Carpenter, a senior economist in CoBank's Knowledge Exchange Division, and I want to talk to you today about the almond market. The almond industry has enjoyed over 20 years of robust demand growth, acreage growth, and generally favorable economic returns. Yet, as you can see in this chart, a number of weather-related challenges have kept yields relatively flat over the past 5 years. So the question some are asking is, what if we have good weather? Would we be at risk of oversupply? Besides weather itself, future almond production will depend heavily on the impacts of California's Sustainable Groundwater Management Act, commonly referred to by its acronym SGMA, or SGMA. While the impacts of SGMA are a wild card, some in the industry expect SGMA to lead to higher almond acreage growth rates in the northern versus southern growing regions of California, as the southern region is more dependent on groundwater. This could keep almond yields relatively flat, even under favorable weather conditions. Why? Northern California's yields are almost 30% lower than Southern California's. And low yields could mean an undersupply, leaving the almond industry unable to take full advantage of the strong demand growth. And as such, prices would increase to incentivize greater acreage and production growth, slow demand growth, and bring the market back into balance. Others in the industry place less emphasis on the potential impacts of SGMA to moderate almond yields and believe that a return of normal weather patterns would mean a return to pre-2014 trend yields. This would create an oversupply, even with the robust demand trends that are expected to continue. In this scenario, prices would decline to stimulate additional demand above trend, namely export demand from China and India. However, as illustrated in this chart comparing current per capita consumption rates, there is significant growth potential within these countries, and with the high demand potential in these markets, prices would not have to drop very far to achieve the needed growth. The obvious challenge, of course, is the ongoing trade disputes. If these remain unresolved in the coming years, it significantly raises the risk of oversupply, particularly if almond yields return to trend growth. To learn more, read my report on CoBank.com.